students, welcome to today's online science class. Today's topic is accuracy in measurement, approximation and then rounding off. Measurement is the base of all experiments in science and technology. The value of every measurement contains some uncertainty. These uncertainties are called as errors. What is the definition of the error? The difference between the real value and observed value is called an error. Accuracy. Accuracy is the closeness of a measured value to the actual value or a true value. Precision. Precision is the closeness of two or more measurements to each other. What is the difference between the accuracy and precision? Target shooting is the example to understand the difference between the accuracy and precision. See the slide. These are the four cases to understand accuracy and precision. In the first case, all the arrows are pointed in the different places. So, precision is low. And then all the arrows are not close to the midpoint. Accuracy also low. In the second case, all the arrows are close to each other. So, precision is high, but it are not close to the midpoint. So, accuracy is low. In the third case, all the arrows are close to the midpoint. So, accuracy is high, but the arrows are not close to each other. So, precision level is low. In the fourth case, all the arrows are pointed in the midpoint and all the arrows are close to each other. So, precision and accuracy is high. Approximation. Look at the picture, students. Identify the dish name. What is that? Yeah, it's a rasam. Observe the rasam making process in your home. Ask your mother and try to answer the following questions. The rasam is made for how many persons? How could you increase the taste? How much of salt has to be added? Is there any prescribed standard for taking the ingredients? We are not following any standard values for preparing a dish. We are always following an approximation method for choosing the ingredients. While we prepare a dish, the ingredients are taken approximately. The definition of approximation is the process of finding a number which is acceptably close to the exact value of the measurement of a physical quantity. Approximations are usually based on certain assumptions, having a scientific background, and they can be modified whenever accuracy is needed. And next is rounding off. Calculators are widely used in day-to-day life to do calculations. The result given by the calculator has too many digits. Hence, the result containing more digits should be rounding off. The technique of rounding off is used in many areas of physics. So, these are the three rules for rounding off. Decide which is the last digit to keep. If the next digit is less than 5, leave it the same. If the next digit is 5 or greater than 5, increase it by 1. These are the three rules for rounding off. Let's see few examples for rounding off. Example 1. round off the number 1.684 to 2 decimal places. Okay. What is the first rule? What is the first rule? Decide which is the last digit to keep. Which is the last digit? Here we have already given 2 decimal places. So that number is, what is that number? 1.684. This is the number. Okay. Step 1. What is that? Step 1. We have to decide the last digit. So here it is 2 decimal places. So 8 is the last digit. 8 is the last digit to be kept. Okay. To be kept. And next, step 2. Step 2. What is the step 2? What is that step 2, mom? Look at the rules. Leave if the next digit is less than 5, leave it the same. If the next digit is 5 or greater than 5, increase it by 1. Okay, increase it by 1. Now 1.684. This is the question. See the following number. See that the following number 1.684. So this is the last digit. We already decided. We have to following the digit. So we look at the next digit. It is the 4. So 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5. 4 is less than 5. According to that rule, so there is no any other changes. Retain it as 8. Retain it as 8. No any other changes. The answer is, what is that answer? The answer is 1.68. Okay. Next example. Example number 2. If the number is 1.868. If the number is 1.868, we have to round off the number to 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. What is the step 1? First we have to decide the last digit. Already given the 2 decimal places. What is the last digit? 6 is the last digit. Last digit. What is the step 2? Step 2. We have to look at the next number. Next following number. It is 8. So 8 is greater than or less than 5? Yes, 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. What we have to do now? We have to increase it by 1. We have to increase it by 1 according to that rules. 1.867. Okay, 6 we have to add it by 1 number because 8 is greater than 5. So answer is 1.87. Okay. Rounding off is the last topic in the measurement lesson. Practice these 2 problems, students. First one 1.604 to 2 decimal places and next 1.689 to 2 decimal places. Okay. Thank you all.